Why do we need worm farms?
Well, when we put things in rubbish, we tend to think of them as a way, but there's no away. It's actually going into a hole in the ground, and that becomes a problem forever because there's no such thing as waste, only things in the wrong place. So if we're putting these valuable food scraps into landfill and they break down and make methane and leachate. Can you say those two words?
Methane and leachate.
Methane is like a gas, and that gas is poisonous, and leachate is the liquid that this gives off when it breaks down with no air, and that finds its way into our creeks, into our rivers, and into the ocean. What do you think it does?
Pollutes it and kills the animals in it.
Exactly. And so what we can do is say, right, these food scraps are never, ever, never, no way going to landfill because these are valuable. That's money in there. Because when we can change them into something valuable, then we'll keep separating them. And then we won't have the problem because it's your generation that will have to fix it if we keep putting it in a hole in the ground. You know, my friend Charlie McGee sings a song and it goes like this. There's no such thing as waste. Dum, 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 dum. Only things in the wrong place. Boom, 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 boom. And if we think about it in that sense, then we'll never put those into landfill. We'll keep them. We'll separate them. And then when you separate them, it also means you can look inside the bin and say, oh, that's paper. I'm going to use that in my compost. That's a plastic bottle. That goes to recycle. That's glass. That's going here. So you'll actually reduce your waste. And that's a good thing. Worm farms are a simple way that you and me every day can help turn scraps, or what some people would think as rubbish, into a resource. And a resource is something that's valuable.